Hey guys, it's Mark Holsey here. I just wanted to jump on quick to let you know that I am going live here in another EE Live Q&A at noon in about 47 minutes time, and you do not want to miss this one. This is going to be, one of those live Q&As where you do not want to miss it. I'm going to be sharing some horrific stories, well, one in particular that I'm wrestling with right now with one of our members of our group over a police certificate that resulted in their application getting rejected. And this is something that people consistently overlook. So tune in about 47 minutes here at noon Mountain Standard Time on the Canadian Immigration Institute Facebook page, where I'm going to be talking about something that you must pay attention to. Absolutely critical, because we're in a situation now where this awesome couple may have lost their opportunity to immigrate because of a fault that was really, an error that was no fault of their own. So tune in. If you have a question that you'd like me to answer, there's still time for you to send it in, although we do have quite a few already in. But if you want to send it to Stephanie@stringham.ca, put EE Live Q&A in the subject line, and we'll see. It may just make the cut for today. If not, we'll push it to next week. Okay, talk to you guys in a few minutes.